Happy New Year to all of you. 2019 was kind of a strange year for me, professionally speaking. I spent the majority of my time asking myself where my business should go and tried my best to reach out to new clients and work a little bit more in the commercial industry. Still, I learned so much this year trying new genres and techniques, glamour, boudoir, lingerie, photography.
No need to be rude, but can I get a body on snack food? Midday, fill me up, lick your peanut butter cup, babe. I'm hungry, need you to feed me a morsel of your snack food. I don't mean to be rude.
And I left my flashlight at home a little bit more often in 2019.
Working hard, but it's hardly working. I can see failure lurking. So cool. Gonna need some energy if I'm gonna make the most of every looming opportunity. Baby, can you spare some time to help me saturate my mind? Add some honey to my crack crust, so dry, drip, drop, sugar rush, me a piece of your.
And I made a little bit more studio-like work recently too.
Can I get a body on snack food? Midday, fill me up, hey. Lick your peanut butter cup, baby.
Really needed to do that because people only know me as a dance photographer and I've missed a lot of opportunities and interesting projects because of that. They thought that I wouldn't be interested or that I wasn't capable of directing models that weren't performers or dancers. So what I started in 2019 will continue in 2020. I'll do my best to share this new chapter of my journey as a photographer with you guys. I will get out of my comfort zone, I will challenge myself, and you will see me in projects that you wouldn't expect me in. So I guess this will be an exciting year. I just can't wait to get things started and to share these things with you. I still got a few videos behind the scenes stuff that I've made in 2019 that are coming up. I'm trying to finish the edits right now.
I got a rep for being far too greedy. So what could you feed me? But not too much, got work to do. I just wanna lick my fingers like I'm at my family barbecue. Baby, the fact that you're delicious only makes me more ambitious. I give you diamonds, you provide the meals, not a trade, but just because we love the way it feels.
And don't worry, I will still be around in 2020. We will still have these conversations about photography. I would like to thank all of you guys for your support, really. I know I'm not good at that YouTube game. I should be posting every week, at least once a week, the same day, but that's the thing. I do not consider myself as a YouTuber. I often prioritize family and then work, and whenever I can, I'm here with you guys. So your support means the world to me because every time I come back, it motivates me to post some more. That's how it works for me. If you wish to see more videos, more content from me, if you want me to improve the quality of these videos, you know what to do. And if you wish to know where I am right now and what I'm currently working on, join me on Instagram. A few days ago, I posted there my top 9 pictures, the ones that you liked the most on Instagram. And, you know, I kind of disagree on some of the ones that you picked. So here is my personal list, my personal top 9, no particular order. You can also see these images on my blog in better quality. subscribe to this channel if you haven't already and press that little bell button so that you can get notifications and never miss a post. What are your plans for 2020 photography wise? Whether you're a pro or just making photos for fun. Tell us in the comments below. Wishing you the best for this upcoming year. Take care of yourself, and I guess I will see you guys in the next one. But until then, please have a good one.